guys, this is Katra. Welcome to my Quickie Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to share one of the healthiest recipes of pasta ever. So if you love pasta and that too pasta in white sauce or what you call Alfredo pasta, you should definitely peep into my recipe of this healthier version of this vegan Alfredo pasta. The end result will be absolutely creamy, incredibly rich, and that too without being packed with butter or cream that you use in traditional white sauce. And base over here that we'll be using to make it creamy is the cauliflower and cashews, and both of them are very healthy, full of nutrients, full of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, antioxidants. So it's gonna be the healthiest version of pasta ever, and trust me, you're going to love this version better than your traditional pasta. So let's get started, and it comes up together hardly in 25-30 minutes, so it's super easy to make. It's a perfect comfort food to eat, so I hope you're gonna love it. Without wasting time, just start with the recipe. Exact quantities of the ingredients are given in the description box below, so do check it before you proceed with the recipe.
So let's start with taking a saucepan. Into the saucepan goes 2 cups of cauliflower florets. Next goes in half cup of cashews that are unsalted, unroasted, 1 full garlic that is peeled, and 2.5 cups of unsweetened almond milk. You can use soya milk too. Next, what you have to do is you just have to stir everything until it is well combined. So now I'm stirring it over a medium heat. And yes, now it looks good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cover it with a lid, and you have to cook it for 20 minutes on low flame, very low flame. So meanwhile, let us just boil these spaghetti noodles. So for that, I'm taking a very large pan. Into this goes plenty of water, like 4 cups of water. And into the water, it's very important to add salt. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt. So once the water comes to a boil, we'll be adding our spaghetti noodles to it. Just make sure not to break noodles into 2 or into parts. Just put complete noodles, lengthwise. You have to put the complete spaghetti noodles into the water. Just give it few minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes, until all the noodles are completely soaked into the water, or they are completely beneath the water level. So while our spaghetti is boiling, let's have a look over the cauliflower milk mixture, and it looks super good. Let me just tell you, cauliflower, it's a healthy base for a creamy vegan sauce because it's high in fiber. It's a great source of antioxidants. Plus the cashews, they give a super creamy texture. And cauliflower, cashews together, they're incredibly healthy. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. So again, it's been like 5 minutes. So I'll again cover it with the lid because it's like almost 15 minutes more to go. And let me just check with the spaghetti. So you can see it's getting soft on the bottom. So I'll just keep on stirring it, and we'll just try to bend it a little so that the entire noodles, they just simply get soaked in the water. And as you can see, our entire noodles, they are now beneath the water level. So over high flame, you have to cook it for approximately 8 to 9 minutes, or according to the instructions given in the package. So approximately after 9 minutes, our spaghetti looks boiled. So what I've done is I've just drained out the water, and I've just sprinkled some oil, like 1 tablespoon olive oil, so that these spaghetti noodles, they just don't stick with each other. And after almost 20 minutes, the cauliflower mixture looks perfectly cooked, and there won't be much liquid left, so you can see. So what I'll do is I'll just switch off the flame. I'll keep it aside for 5-10 minutes till it cools off, and then I'll transfer everything into a high-speed blender or a mixer jar. So into the mixing jar, I'll also be adding 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. That's it. Now you have to process it, you have to mix it until it becomes a smooth paste. So it will take approximately 1 minute. And after 1 minute, guys, you can see I've got this healthy, white paste. And I'm going to transfer it to a pan, and I'll cook it for a minute on medium flame. So almost after a minute, the mixture looks quite thick to me. So I'll be adding half a cup of almond milk more. So if you've been using soya milk, then you can add soya milk out here. Just give it a stir. Cook it for like few minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes, till it starts coming to a boil. So once the mixture starts coming to a boil, we'll be adding some flavors into it, like some seasoning. So for seasoning, first of all, I've added salt. So you can add salt to taste. I've added like almost 1 teaspoon salt. Then black pepper, almost half a teaspoon of black pepper. Like I really love black pepper. You can add white pepper too. So as per you like. Next, I'm adding some Italian seasoning. So you can add whatever herbs you like. Just a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Just give it a good stir.
And last, you just need to add half a cup of water just to give it a smooth runny consistency. Just mix it evenly and cook it for like few minutes, like 1.5 minutes. Just switch off the flame and keep it aside. Next, we'll work over the vegetables that we are going to add in this spaghetti itself. So let's give it an Indian twist. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a large pan. Into the pan goes in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And once the oil is hot, I'll be adding half an onion, just finely chopped. So just cook it for a few seconds, 45-50 seconds. You don't have to overcook it literally. Then I'll be adding 1 tomato that has been de-seeded and finely sliced. Again, you have to cook it for a few seconds, 45-50 seconds, and then comes in green capsicum. So here you may add bell peppers, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, whatever vegetables you like. Again, you have to de-seed it and finally slice it. So just make sure not to overcook these vegetables. So after a minute or so on medium flame, I'll be adding some seasoning to it. So just 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. That's it. Some pasta seasoning, Italian seasoning, whatever herbs available with you. And last, I'll be adding 1/8 cup of boiled corn, sweet corn. Just give it a mix. And then goes in the healthy vegan white sauce that we just prepared. So I'll be transferring the entire white sauce into this vegetable pan. And I'll just give it a stir. I'll mix so that everything combines off really nicely. So our vegan Alfredo sauce, that too without cheese, is perfectly ready. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the cooked spaghetti to it, and I have to stir until it is well combined. So just make sure you can't be really harsh with the noodles, the spaghetti noodles. You just have to mix it very softly so that the spaghetti doesn't break. And if necessary, you can season it with some salt and pepper again if you want. And you just have to serve it immediately, and you can sprinkle it with some freshly chopped parsley and just enjoy the meal, guys. And as you can see in the video, our vegan Alfredo spaghetti is all set to be served. I mean, it's a perfect comfort food, incredibly creamy and rich, and that too without being packed with butter and cream like traditional Alfredo sauce. So guys, it's super easy to make. You just have to try it in your kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe my channel if you have not. Stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.